Tourism's board.
UNgqongqoshe uDilile uthi akazange ayithole impendulo malungana nendlela engagculisi yokwakheka kwaleli ibhodi okufaka phakathi ubulili kanye nobuhlanga. Ngakho-ke kusukela ngoLwesihlanu kuphelile ngalo.
I did not receive a response, and therefore I believe that a good cause exists to dissolve the board, and I will be gazetting the dissolution of the board on Friday, the 21st of April.
Ngaphandle kwalokho beselivele lingeke lisakwazi ukusebenza kulandela kusula kwamalungu ebhodi ayishagalombili kwayishumi nomuvo. Kepha uDilile uthi-ke uzoqoka amalungu amathathu ngokushesha anamakhono afanele ukuqinisekisa ukuthi umsebenzi uqhubeka ngendlela.
I do know that I'm looking for a person with qualifications in finance, a CFO experience, a person with governance experience, and an experience of the PFMA, and then also a person with experience in tourism.
Malungana nokuxhasa eTottenham uthi acace leyo mali yabe izovela kuphi okwabe kukhalisa nekomiti leParlamente elibhekele ezokuvakasha.
I have to dig a bit deeper to just understand exactly where the funding was going to come from for this deal, whether there were attempts to move money from one project to another. The Portfolio Committee of Parliament also raised concerns that there were no budget approved for the deal.
Izindaba zeSABC ngingongqubeko Nzimande.